MHD is proud to celebrate 125 years as the only made-in-America family-owned kitchen cabinet makers, who also supply appliances, windows, doors, lighting, plumbing fixtures, and more, so people who rent can enjoy living in better homes. What makes MHD the premier supplier and manufacturer in the industry? Number one, we've grown with the apartment industry. We are the only kitchen cabinet manufacturers in the United States that specialize in the apartment industry. We belong to over 10 major apartment associations. We do business in over 33 states. Over 40% of our employees have been here for over 10 years. We build trust and loyalty with our customers. We're lucky to have our customers and our employees, and we never take them for granted. We have a humble mindset. We're very hard on ourselves, working to improve every single day. And lastly, and the most important, we listen to our customers and how we can make it better.
We manufacture materials to help our customers run their buildings more efficiently and help increase the value of their assets.
What I love about the multi-housing industry and our company is the people. At MHD, we are one big happy family. We are working together constantly through teamwork and collaboration.
We have a great team, from our sales force to our sales support, to our customer service, to our distribution, to our manufacturing.
At MHD, we have a consultative type of approach for our customer. We teach our employees to listen to the customer's needs. Multi-Housing Depot has been a company in the industry that our customers have learned to trust.
So I'm really excited to tell everyone about what we've been working on. I have a bunch of new door styles that I have brought out. The first one is the Palisade door, the second one is the Laurel door, and the third one is the Plaza door. We also have some new colors coming out. We have a matte navy, a matte white, a matte black wood grain in the TFL collection, and a white wood wash wood grain. I'm really excited about our showroom space. We will be having that open very shortly, and I think that it's going to serve as a great platform for customers to come in and view our products and touch and feel them. I also think it's going to be a great space for us to have a collaborative area for continuing education, and also have customers come in and design future products with us at our Acacia pull and play area. Something you may not know about Multi-Housing Depot is that we have the third, fourth, and fifth generation of the Bell family working within the same building day by day and side by side.
Hi, I'm Sean Bell. I'm the lead estimator here at MHD, and I've been here for about 4 years. I've actually been involved with the company for a long time. I can remember that back when I was young, any day off from school, I was in the shop sweeping the floor. When I got to high school, I was on the trucks helping the drivers with deliveries. Everyone here in the organization is committed to service and will jump through hoops to get it done for our customers. Here at MHD, we're very focused on design solutions. So in one way, we try to condense layouts and designs as much as we can to pick up efficiencies for the customer. When we're installing the kitchens, it's easier because there's less variation. So here at MHD, we're always working on new products to bring to our customers to diversify their assets. For example, with one customer, we actually created a custom door style to match their trim in their building, to kind of tie the whole space together. I love this industry because there's just so much to learn. There's always something new, and it's always changing. The change allows us to create and innovate, keeping up with trends to help our customers rent their apartments better.